Okay, there's all kinds of fancy ways to put up a flag. Our flagpole is in the wrong place. It's right behind our grill, so that ain't gonna work. Okay, it comes time to jibe or tack. Where is that darn winch handle? Every time you look for it, you can't seem to find it. I know I put it somewhere. So it's time to fix that very problem on Dreamweaver. We've decided to put on a winch handle holder where everybody knows where the winch handle is, and that's where it goes back when you finish with it. So today, I've decided I'm gonna put on winch handle holder. Yeah, the package is. I'll tell you where it was. That's what it looks like. That way we put our winch handle in, because we're always looking for the winch. Thinking about putting it along here, or maybe over here. That way we can keep our winch handle. We don't have to worry about losing it all. Sometimes it's hard to figure out what you did with it. Figure out which side I like it here. So we're going to bolt it on soon. What happens from it. Okay, here's the winch handle holder. That's got to work with here. Try to get it out of the way so it's at least set over here. So anyway, you go put it that way, put it this way, and go wherever you want. So here we won't keep losing the winch handle over. Where's that? Good deal. Okay, there's all kinds of fancy ways to put up a flag. Our flagpole is in the wrong place. It's right behind our grill, so that ain't gonna work. We'll put it out here. It kind of gets in. So my idea is to put a wire tie around this stay, and then shove it up to the top on the stay and put some wire ties at the bottom. And we'll see if it stays on there. Don't know. We'll try it. See what happens. It'll be a good place for it on the stay. Back to that. We'll see what happens. First thing I did was put me a wire tie around. It can't come off that way, it can't come off this way, so it should stay on there. I'm gonna cut this off. Then I'm gonna attempt to slide it up and stay like that. And then put some wire ties at the bottom and see if I can hold it up there. It should hold. We'll see. Alright, so here's what I did. I put some wire ties in. Gotta cut them off on the flagpole. There's the flag. Up on the backstay. I think it's kind of cool, man. So if I need to pull it down, I've got me a little stop right here, so I can pull this stop down. I can pull the whole thing down if I need to. So if I pull it down, I'll push it back up. Whatever I need to do. So it makes it kind of cool. I need to pull it inside, but it looks like it's going to step up pretty good. So anyway, we'll see. This cat, you know, I put the flag on the backstay. Let's go look, see what it looks like. I think it looks good.
It looks great.
I mean, we couldn't have shoved it up too much higher anyway, because the split's up there, and I don't think we want to put it way up there.
Oh, I think it's great.
So I think it's going to be good. And should, like I say, we can slide it down inside if we want to take it down. Like if the wind gets in too much, we can just slide it down inside. Or we can slide it down backstay. It's got to be some plastic there, so it's not going to wear the backstay out or anything.
I tell you, that part of the top that you've done looks so good.
It does. It looks so much better than the old part.
Really
But we about a third way there. But see how it works on the backstay?
Yeah.
So you just slide down, and it's got a little one at the bottom to kind of hold it to keep it from coming down. And I think it'll stay there. No, we get 50 knot winds, we'll see. I was going to man on the back, but it was just too short. It was in the way of everything. But that way it's not.
I think it looks great.
I think, hey, I asked Dreamweaver, I said, honey, how do you feel about your new flag? And she said, thank you, Tony and Kathy, I love it. She is such a sweetheart. I tell you what, she takes good care of us, doesn't she? And I said, I like that flag. So, congratulations, Dreamweaver, you got a new flag.
Next
I've been trying to
episode
find
on
some mounts
Dreamweaver
for my
SV.
tablets, because I use tablets for all my navigation. And every time I get a mount, it's just like, man, it just don't work. I'm going like, really?